The world of premium photography is on the verge of a massive seismic shift. And if you're someone who values the raw, visceral experience of capturing a moment, your entire world is about to be turned upside down. For years, a quiet, almost reverent whisper has circulated through the global community of street photographers, photojournalists, and purists who refuse to let the soul of analog photography die in a digital age. They have been waiting, watching, and enduring an agonizingly long silence that has stretched out since the legendary, yet deeply polarizing X-Pro 3 was quietly phased out. Rumors turned into doubts, and doubts turned into a growing fear that perhaps the era of the pure, tactile, hybrid rangefinder was gone forever, swallowed up by a market obsessed with clinical perfection and boring, identical camera bodies. But as we move deeper into 2026, the silence has officially been shattered by an avalanche of verified supply chain leaks, internal corporate roadmaps, and highly credible insider reports confirming that the phoenix is finally rising from the ashes. Fujifilm is currently preparing to unleash its most ambitious, technologically disruptive, and emotionally evocative masterpiece to date, the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-Pro 4. This is not just another routine product refresh designed to satisfy a corporate release calendar. This is a radical, ground-up reimagining of what a flagship APS-C camera can be when tradition refuses to compromise with the future. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. To understand why the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is causing such an absolute frenzy across the global photography landscape in 2026, we have to look back at the chaotic, fascinating legacy of the machine that came before it. When the X-Pro 3 landed years ago, it wasn't just a camera, it was a deliberate, audacious statement. By hiding the rear LCD screen behind a fold-down panel and replacing it with a tiny retro-styled submonitor that only displayed your active film simulation, Fujifilm made a bold gamble to force photographers to stop chimping, that bad habit of constantly looking down at your screen after every single shot. They wanted you to keep your eye glued to the viewfinder, to stay deeply immersed in the world moving around you, and to trust your instincts. For a specific subculture of street purists, it was an absolute stroke of genius, providing the closest thing to a digital Leica experience without the devastating five-figure price tag. But for the broader market of everyday creators, commercial shooters, and hybrid professionals, that hidden screen was an infuriating, over-engineered deal-breaker that felt like form over function. It divided the community into two fiercely opposing camps and left a massive question mark hanging over the future of the entire rangefinder lineup. Now, with the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, the engineering teams in Tokyo have spent years meticulously analyzing that cultural divide, and the leaked blueprints reveal that they have crafted a truly brilliant solution. The headline design shift for the new Fujifilm X-Pro 4 revolves around a completely overhauled, ultra-premium three-way tilting hidden screen mechanism that somehow manages to give both camps exactly what they want. When closed, the flush rear profile preserves that gorgeous, distraction-free, analog-inspired aesthetic, keeping you locked into the zone. But with a gentle flick of your thumb, it smoothly articulates out into a highly functional, bright, high-resolution panel for effortless low-angle framing and complex compositions. But do not let the breathtaking, vintage exterior fool you into thinking this is just a nostalgic fashion statement, because beneath that rugged, weather-sealed titanium shell lies an absolute powerhouse of next-generation imaging technology. According to concrete supply chain leaks emerging in 2026, the heart of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is built around the sensational 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired seamlessly with a blistering new processing architecture. This marks a staggering, monumental leap in resolution from the aging 26-megapixel sensor found in the previous generation. For years, critics argued that high-resolution sensors didn't belong in street-focused rangefinders because of potential noise issues in low light, but Fujifilm has completely flipped that narrative on its head. The advanced back-illuminated structural design of this 40-megapixel sensor drastically improves light-gathering efficiency, allowing the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 to deliver razor-sharp, insanely detailed images with a dynamic range that actively rivals many modern full-frame sensors on the market today. Imagine walking through the neon-drenched, rain-slicked alleys of Tokyo or the gritty, high-contrast streets of New York at midnight. This camera gives you the unprecedented freedom to crop deeply into a shadow or highlight without losing a single ounce of micro-contrast or texture. And for those moments when you're shooting landscapes, fine art, or high-end commercial projects where absolute perfection is mandatory, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 introduces a breathtaking 160-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. By utilizing an ultra-precise internal mechanism to shift the sensor by a fraction of a pixel between consecutive shots, the camera captures an astonishing level of color accuracy and resolution that completely eliminates moire and digital artifacts, essentially giving you medium-format performance packed into a chassis you can effortlessly slide into a jacket pocket. Yet, the true crown jewel of the entire X-Pro heritage has always been its legendary, magical hybrid viewfinder, and for the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4, the engineering teams have pushed the boundaries of optical and electronic synergy to a level we have never seen before. This is the feature that separates this machine from every single generic mirrorless box on the shelf. The newly upgraded advanced hybrid viewfinder inside the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 features a massive, breathtaking 5.76 million electronic viewfinder panel boasting a hyper-smooth 120Hz refresh rate and near-zero latency, ensuring that what you see is happening in absolute real time. But with the simple flip of the iconic front-facing lever, the EVF instantly vanishes, giving way to a crystal-clear, bright optical viewfinder that allows you to see outside the frame lines. This is where the magic truly happens for street photographers. The optical mode allows you to anticipate a subject walking into your composition a split second before they cross into your frame, giving you a predictive edge that a standard electronic screen simply cannot replicate. Furthermore, the electronic overlay projected onto the optical window has been completely redesigned for the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, providing a highly customizable heads-up display that overlays critical shooting data, real-time exposure histograms, and a hyper-accurate manual focus peaking window without ever breaking your connection to the physical world. It is an engineering marvel that honors the legacy of classic photojournalism while arming you with the cutting-edge tools of tomorrow. Of course, all of that resolution and optical brilliance would be utterly meaningless if you couldn't nail focus in the blink of an eye, and this is exactly where the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 completely obliterates its predecessor. The autofocus system of the X-Pro 3, while capable for its time, often struggled to keep pace in erratic, chaotic environments or ultra-low-light scenarios. To rectify this, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 incorporates a revolutionary, deep-learning AI-driven subject detection and tracking autofocus system that feels almost telepathic in execution. Trained on millions of real-world images, the intelligent algorithms embedded within the camera can instantly recognize, lock onto, and track human faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, and fast-moving athletes with an ironclad grip. Whether a subject is moving directly toward you at high speed, obscured by passing crowds, or stepping into deep, treacherous shadow, the 425-point hybrid autofocus system of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 calculates distance and velocity at a staggering rate of hundreds of times per second. For the street photographer capturing fleeting, candid interactions, or the documentary filmmaker operating in unpredictable, fast-moving environments, this means the mechanical anxiety of missing the decisive moment due to a hunting autofocus lens is officially a relic of the past. You point, you click, and the camera locks on with surgical, flawless precision. But perhaps the most historic, game-changing upgrade arriving with the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, a feature that was fiercely debated in corporate boardrooms and internet forums alike, is the groundbreaking inclusion of a custom-engineered, hyper-compact in-body image stabilization system. Historically, The X-Pro line resisted stabilization because the required mechanical architecture would inevitably bloat the slim, elegant rangefinder profile that creators fell in love with. However, the 2026 leaks confirm that through a triumph of microengineering, Fujifilm has managed to squeeze a state-of-the-art 5-axis IBIS unit into the camera body without adding a single millimeter of unnecessary bulk. This newly developed system delivers up to a staggering 8 stops of stabilization performance, depending on the lens attached. This fundamentally redefines how you shoot in the field. It means you can confidently step out into the night without a bulky tripod, shooting handheld exposures at half a second or even a full second, creating beautifully blurred intentional motion in crowds while keeping your primary subject tack sharp. It breathes brand new life into older, unstabilized, legendary prime lenses like the original XF 35mm f/1.4 or the ultra-sharp XF 56mm f/1.2, turning them into low-light monsters that can handle the most brutal, dim environments without forcing your ISO into noisy, grain-heavy territory.